So I'm back with another grocery haul from Sobeys. This is our weekly haul. So we'll just start off with this boneless pork loin center chops. They're thinly sliced. Ang price niya is $5.35. Since I'm doing keto, I'll just fry this in a little butter and then probably add some onions and mushrooms. And then yung gravy na gagawin ko sa kanya, I'm just gonna add some heavy cream and then probably some chicken broth or beef broth. So there you go. Next one, boneless, skinless pork belly slice. Ito siya. They were priced at $10.86. I'm still thinking on what to do with this one. Pero I follow this YouTuber, si Mangchi. She's a Korean cook and she does lots of Korean recipes that are easy to follow. So I think she has a recipe for boneless pork belly, and then I'll try to make it. Probably add this as well sa aking fried cauliflower rice. And then for this one, I also have some pork loin back ribs. They're $15.53. I'm just gonna make pork sinigang today since it's very cold where we are. Ito, I'm just gonna get some random stuff. I got 2 of the 18 large size eggs. So remember guys, before you come home, always check the eggs for expiration dates. And then what I do is I open the box and I check each and every eggs kung may crack siya or wala. So obviously, we checked this a while ago, so this is good. And then, this is another one of the extra large 18 pieces of eggs. We also have some bananas. We always have bananas every week. And then, I also ran out of onion. Next one, we have some lemons in here. So, freshly squeezed in the morning with warm water. It's very good for you. And now, may mga ubo at sipon, yung aking anak. So, I just give this to him with warm water, lemon, and then honey. And then, I make him drink it. Also, additional vitamin C, some mandarin oranges. So, I got some blueberries as well. They were 2 packs for $6. If you only buy one, they were like $3.99. So this is a better deal. I always get this bacon, pero I only got one because previously when I get 2, they were priced at $6.49 per pack. Eh ngayon, naging $9.49. And plus, I think I still have one more pack from last week. So this is my no antibiotic bacon. I also got this Fisherman's Friend citrus flavor. It's sucrose free para sa aking son na meron sore throat. And since I am gonna make sinigang, I also got some eggplants in here. Siguro half of it, I'm gonna make it into my low-carb moussaka, and the other half, I'm gonna make it into the sinigang. We also have here bok choy, baby bok choy for the sinigang as well. I always get organic apples whenever I can. So this is good for baon for the kids, the school, or sometimes just snacking at home. And then I also grabbed some green onions also for my pork sinigang tonight. And then last but not least, this is daikon. I'm also gonna add this to my pork sinigang, and then probably the other half I am gonna pickle it, and then probably the other half I'm gonna make it into like yung ginagawa ng mga Koreans, yung pickled daikon. So yun lamang guys ang aking haul for this week. All in all, it came up to about 93 Canadian dollars. So there you go, guys. Thank you for spending time with me. Until next time. Bye-bye.